So I just got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 in, and it's time to unbox it. Now, I ordered this thing like 2 or 3 weeks ago. There was a back order on it, so I had to wait, but it finally came in, and yeah, let's do this. Now, I took the pull tabs off the back of the box, which is, how you basically get this to come off, and I can't even wait anymore, so let's do this. All right, there it is. Now, we'll say the box design on this, it's super, super thin. You've got the paper wrapping, and I've noticed this paper wrapping is now on all these Samsung products, the phones, the tablets, and it is a little bit hard to rip, as you can see. I mean, look at me go to town right here just trying to get this wrapping off. So, I mean, I guess it's a good thing. It's super protective, but yeah, I mean, that wrapping is pretty ridiculous. All right, so there it is. I'm going to see what else is in the box. Looks like we got a pen. That's pretty cool. All right, so we got a little pen right here. Nice to see Samsung giving something free away because normally they don't. They're pretty stingy, but they do give you the pen, which is cool. You've got a charging cable in here. I forgot to mention, if you guys decide to get this thing, it is running for about $800 new, but the good news is we do have some deals you can get for this right now, so I'll link those up directly below in the description. Okay, here we go. All right, so it's got the aluminum backing, feels really nice, looks really clean, and yeah. And to save some time, I did skip through the startup screen because we all know how annoying that can be. And the first thing I always like to do when I get really any new device, I always like to check out what some of the stock wallpapers they have available. So we're going to take a look at that. As far as some of the other specs on this, I mentioned it's got the aluminum frame. It's got a dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's 11 inches, and you really get most of the display on this thing. So, I mean, it is going to be great, obviously, for watching video and gaming. Camera on this is 12 megapixel, 13 megapixel selfie camera, and it records in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, I'd imagine the camera on this isn't going to be that great, but for video recording, those specs are pretty darn good if you ask me. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is run some videos so you can hear some of the sound quality and some gaming. But I will say, first impressions of this thing, I like it. Anyways, let's run some video.
Company, come on! First platoon, we've lost the square. We can't hold it! Your path ends here.